Howdy everyone! In this video, we are going to dig into the world of reselling. So, let's get started. But before everything else, what is reselling? Reselling is a business practice where individuals or companies purchase goods or products from one source and then sell them to another party at a higher price, aiming to make a profit. Resellers act as intermediaries between suppliers or manufacturers and end customers. They leverage their knowledge of market trends, consumer demand, and pricing to identify opportunities where they can acquire products at a lower cost and sell them at a higher price. One of the key aspects of reselling is finding the right products to offer. Successful resellers often specialize in a specific niche or category, allowing them to develop expertise and stay ahead of market trends. They carefully select products that are in demand, have good profit margins, and can be acquired at a favorable price. This involves researching marketplaces, attending auctions, negotiating with suppliers, and monitoring online platforms for potential deals. In summary, reselling is a business model where individuals or companies purchase products at a lower price and resell them at a higher price to make a profit. It requires expertise in product selection, market trends, and pricing. Successful resellers focus on finding the right products, marketing them effectively, and providing excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. With careful research, strategic sourcing, and continuous adaptation to market dynamics, reselling can be a profitable and scalable venture. Now, getting started in reselling can be an exciting and potentially lucrative venture. Here are some steps to help you get started. Choose a niche. Select a specific category or niche that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. It could be anything from sneakers, vintage clothing, electronics, or collectibles. Focusing on a niche allows you to become an expert in that area and better understand market trends and prices. Research and educate yourself. Learn as much as you can about your chosen niche. Stay updated on market trends, popular brands/items, and pricing fluctuations. Research platforms where you can sell your products, such as online marketplaces, auction sites, or social media platforms. Set a budget. Determine how much capital you are willing to invest in sourcing products. Start with a conservative budget and reinvest profits as your business grows. Source products. Find reliable sources to acquire products at a good price. This could include thrift stores, garage sales, wholesalers, liquidation sales, clearance sections, or online marketplaces. Build relationships with suppliers and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. Evaluate product value. Assess the potential profitability of each item before purchasing it. Consider factors like condition, brand, demand, and market value. Research sold listings or completed auctions of similar items to get an idea of their worth. Establish an online presence. Create accounts on relevant online platforms for reselling, such as eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, or Depop. Optimize your listings with detailed descriptions, quality photos, and competitive prices. Build your reputation by providing excellent customer service and accurate product descriptions. Shipping and packaging. Determine the most efficient and cost-effective shipping methods for your products. Research shipping providers, packaging materials, and label printing options. Ensure your items are properly packaged to minimize the risk of damage during transit. Marketing and promotion. Utilize social media platforms and online communities to promote your products. Engage with potential customers by sharing updates, posting appealing photos, and offering exclusive deals. Consider running targeted ads to reach a wider audience. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns, and resolve any issues that may arise. Positive feedback and word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly contribute to your success. Track finances and analyze performance. Maintain accurate records of your expenses, sales, and profits. Track your inventory and analyze which products are selling well and which ones may need adjustments in price or marketing strategies. Regularly evaluate your financial performance to make informed decisions for your reselling business. Remember, reselling requires patience, persistence, and adaptability. It may take time to build your reputation and establish a consistent income stream. With dedication and continuous learning, you can develop a successful reselling business. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up icon. Consider subscribing as well and click the bell icon for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.